All right, so yeah, number 10 here, 2.4, number 10. This is cosine law song. Cosine law, I just watched the song. Cosine law equation there, formula, okay? Now, why is this cosine law? All right, let's take a look at the question. The Canadian women's national hockey ice hockey team has won numerous international competitions, including gold medals at 02, 06, and 10 Winter Olympics. A player on the blue line shoots a puck towards a 1.83 meter wide net from a point that's 20.3 meters from one goal post. So from one goal post is 20.3, and from another goal post is 21.3. So we have a triangle here, right? We have the net as one side, and we have two side lengths there. Within what angle? So what angle must she shoot to hit the net? Answer to the nearest tenth of a degree. So I have recreated this triangle here, just a little bit, just compressed a bit. But this is a side situation, right? So we need to solve for this angle where the puck is, because this is the net, right? And so we need to kind of figure out what this angle is. So the cosine law says, and I kind of always just start off with the cosine law, and you can reorganize the law from there, right? So I just always remember this: a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Okay. Now you could do Pythagoras, like this is c squared. Doesn't matter. But what we want to do is we want to find a here, right? This is an angle. So this is the side that's opposite. Okay. And if you want to reorganize the equation or the formula right away, you go ahead. You don't have to. Now you might have on your cue card or on your worksheet there, you might have the formula for A already isolated, which I think we did that earlier. Right here. So you might have this already in your notebook. That's great if you do. This is all we need to do. So cos to the -1 of all this. So maybe I'll just kind of snap that. I'll just grab this and we'll pull it down to our question here, and I'll throw that on there. So this is already kind of things are isolated already, okay? If you didn't isolate that already, you could go ahead and put in your A, your B, your C, your B, your C, and then solve from there. But this is going to be angle A. This is going to be a little a. And then one of these is B, and one of these is C. It doesn't matter which one's which. So I'm going to fill everything in, and then we'll just pump this into our calculator. So A squared is going to be 1.83 squared minus B squared, 20.3 squared, minus C squared, which is 21.3 squared, all over minus 2 or -2 times those side lengths there. Okay? So any questions there so far? Okay. Now we just pump this into our calculator and hope we plug everything correctly. So I'll turn that on. So negative or inverse of cos to the -1 of. Now we might need to add some brackets here so our calculator knows exactly what we're trying to say here. So I'm going to add another set of brackets to do 1.83 squared minus 20.3 squared minus 21.3. Are those both 0.3s? Yeah. Squared. Okay, I'm put that. So I'm going to close those brackets. So we're doing the top separately, and then divided by. I'll use brackets again. -2, and you can do times, or you can just do. Whoops. Yeah, you can just do your brackets. -2 times 20.3 times 21.3. I think I need to have two brackets over here now. So on a calculator like this, what I don't like about this calculator is that the brackets can be tricky sometimes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 brackets going one way. I need to have exactly 4 going the other way too, or else the calculator won't like me. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think I've got everything figured out. Let's see. Okay, 4.22. Did anybody else get that answer? 4.22. Okay, so to the nearest tenth of a degree. So it looks like A is 4.2 degrees. So it's a very small measure right there, but that's 4.2 degrees. Okay? Does that help for number 10? If you asked about number 10, yeah? Okay. All right. Any other questions you have from this assignment?